Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to customize your Omlet Arcade profile. Well, the Omlet Arcade server ceased operation on June 30, 2023, rendering it impossible to stream or create new accounts. However, should the servers reopen, customizing your Omlet Arcade profile involves several steps to personalize your gaming identity. Begin by downloading the Omlet Arcade application on your application store, then tap on it. Then in here, tap the profile at the upper right corner and log into your account. Select a captivating profile picture that reflects your gaming style or personal brand. Craft a compelling bio to share your gaming interests, achievements, or favorite titles with the community. Enhance your profile further by linking your social media accounts to stay connected with fellow gamers. And that's how to customize your Omlet Arcade profile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.